Now, the RBI appointed former Governor Bimal Jalan as the chairman of the Economic Capital Framework Committee formed to look into the issue of excess reserves with the central bank. The RBI board had decided to form this panel at its 19th November meeting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has been insisting on a new policy for reserves held by the RBI and the distribution of its dividends. It will submit its report within 90 days of its first meeting.
Yes, the RBI has in fact formed a committee to look after the economic capital framework of the central bank. Now, this committee will be headed by Dr. Bimal Jalan, who is the former governor of the RBI. It also will have Rakesh Mohan, who was deputy governor of the RBI, who is now the vice chairman in this committee. If we talk about the other members, N.S. Vishwanathan, who is the deputy governor of the RBI, he is also the member in this committee. Now, remember on that November 19 meeting of the RBI board, which met for 9 long hours, it was decided in this meeting that a committee will be formed to look after the RBI's capital framework and also to discuss about the RBI's excess reserves. Now, there was a bone of contention between the RBI and the government on sharing of this excess reserve, where the government wanted the RBI to share some part of its excess reserve, whereas RBI was of the opinion that the excess reserve, the buffer, is required in case of national emergencies. Now, this committee is formed, and when it will meet for the first time, after that, in 90 days, the committee is expected to send out the report on this excess reserves. But as of now, yes, the committee is formed, which will now be headed by Dr. Bimal Jalan, who will be the chairman of this committee.